G'day wildlife lovers, welcome to Australia, land of sunshine, beaches and the most incredible animals on the planet. From cuddly koalas to peculiar platypuses, our country is a haven for unique and fascinating creatures. Get ready to meet some of these amazing animals, learn some fun facts, and discover why it's so important to protect them. I've grown up surrounded by Aussie wildlife, and let me tell you, it's never boring. Each day brings new surprises, from a kangaroo hopping past my window to a kookaburra's laughter echoing through the trees. Join me as we journey into the heart of Australia's wildlife and uncover the secrets of these extraordinary creatures. Get ready for an adventure because we're about to dive into the wild world of Aussie animals. We'll meet some familiar faces, like the kangaroos and koalas you know and love. But we'll also uncover some lesser-known Aussie treasures. Hold on to your hats because it's going to be a wild ride. So, are you ready for an adventure? Let's hop to it. First up, it's the kangaroo, Australia's iconic bouncer. These muscular marsupials are known for their powerful legs and giant leaps. They can jump over 6 feet high and cover an impressive distance in a single bound. That's like jumping over a tall fence in one go. Did you know that kangaroos are amazing moms? They raise their babies, called joeys, in a pouch on their tummy. The joey stays safe and snug inside the pouch, drinking milk and growing bigger until it's ready to explore the world. Talk about a built-in baby carrier. Kangaroos are herbivores, which means they munch on plants and grasses. They have special stomachs that help them digest tough plant material. And here's a funny fact. Kangaroos can't walk backward. They can only hop forward or sideways. I guess that's why they're so good at moving forward in life. Next time you see a kangaroo, take a moment to appreciate these incredible creatures. They're a true symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. Next up, we're meeting the koala, Australia's sleepyhead. These adorable tree dwellers are famous for their cuddly appearance and love of eucalyptus leaves. Koalas spend most of their day sleeping or munching on eucalyptus leaves. In fact, they eat so much eucalyptus that they actually smell like it. But here's a surprising fact. Eucalyptus leaves are poisonous to most animals. Koalas have a special digestive system that allows them to break down the toxins in the leaves. That's one superpower I wouldn't want to try at home. Koalas are solitary animals, which means they prefer to live alone. They communicate with each other through a variety of grunts, squeaks, and bellows. And despite their cuddly appearance, koalas have sharp claws that help them climb trees and defend themselves. So next time you see a picture of a koala, remember that these cute and cuddly creatures are more than just sleepyheads. They're true survivors with a unique diet and fascinating adaptations. Have you ever heard of a quokka? These small marsupials are known for their friendly nature and adorable smiles. They're often called the happiest animals on Earth because they seem to be smiling all the time. Quokkas are found on a few islands off the coast of Western Australia, including Rottnest Island. They're about the size of a cat and have thick brown fur, short legs, and a rounded body. Their most distinctive feature is their cute little smile, which is actually just the natural shape of their mouth. Quokkas are herbivores and feed on grasses, leaves, and fruits. They're mostly nocturnal, which means they're most active at night. During the day, they like to relax in shady spots, often near humans, and because they're so used to people, quokkas are known for their fearless nature and will often approach humans for a selfie. But remember, as tempting as it is to get close to these adorable creatures, it's important to respect their space and avoid touching them. Let's make sure we admire these happy little creatures responsibly. The thorny devil, a reptile with a spiky personality. Now, let's meet a reptile with a prickly personality, the thorny devil. This lizard looks like it's straight out of a prehistoric movie, with its spiky body and camouflage skills. It's found in the deserts of Western Australia and is a master of survival in harsh conditions. The thorny devil's most striking feature is its spiky armor, which covers its entire body. These spikes help to deter predators and also collect water from the air. When it rains, water droplets collect on the spikes and run down to the thorny devil's mouth, providing it with a much-needed drink. Another fascinating adaptation of the thorny devil is its false head. When threatened, it tucks its real head down and presents its spiky back to the predator. The false head, located on the back of its neck, looks remarkably like its real head and often fools predators into attacking the wrong end. The thorny devil might look intimidating, but it's actually a harmless creature that plays an important role in its ecosystem. It's a reminder that even the most unusual-looking creatures can be fascinating and important members of the animal kingdom. The elusive echidna, part mammal, part mystery, meet a true oddball of the animal kingdom, the echidna. This spiky creature is a monotreme, a unique group of mammals that lay eggs. Yes, egg-laying mammals. Along with the platypus, echidnas are the only mammals that reproduce this way. They are found throughout Australia, from forests to deserts. They have a long snout, short legs, and a body covered in spines. They use their strong claws to dig for food, such as ants and termites. Their long, sticky tongue helps them lap up insect prey. One of the most intriguing things about echidnas is their reproductive cycle. The female lays a single egg, which she incubates in a pouch. After about 10 days, a tiny puggle hatches. The puggle stays in its mother's pouch, feeding on her milk until it's old enough to venture out. Echidnas are solitary and rarely seen in the wild. They're mostly active at dawn and dusk, spending their days sleeping in burrows or under logs. These fascinating creatures are a testament to the diversity of Australian wildlife. Wombats and their cubic droppings. Next up, we're digging into the world of wombats, Australia's burrowing architects. These sturdy marsupials are known for their powerful digging skills and their rather unusual poop. Yes, you read that right, wombat poop is square-shaped. Wombats are found throughout Australia, from forests to grasslands. They're about the size of a medium-sized dog and have short legs, a stocky build, and a short tail. They're herbivores and feed on grasses, roots, and bark. They're also nocturnal, spending their days in burrows and emerging at night to feed. Now, let's talk about their unique droppings. Wombats are the only animals in the world that produce cube-shaped poop. Scientists believe that the shape of their droppings helps them to mark their territory and attract mates. The cubic shape prevents the poop from rolling away, making it an effective way to leave a lasting message. Wombats might be shy and elusive, but they're fascinating creatures with a unique place in the animal kingdom. So, next time you're exploring the Australian bush, keep an eye out for their telltale cubic droppings. The laughing kookaburra, a bird with a sense of humor. Get ready for a good laugh as we meet the laughing kookaburra, Australia's feathered comedian. This iconic bird is known for its distinctive call, which sounds uncannily like human laughter. It's no wonder they're often called the bushman's clock, as their calls often signal the start of a new day. Kookaburras are found throughout eastern Australia, from forests to urban parks. They're the largest members of the kingfisher family and have a large head, a strong beak, and brown and white plumage. They're carnivores and feed on a variety of prey, including insects, reptiles, and small mammals. But it's their laughter-like call that makes kookaburras so special. They often call in groups, creating a chorus of laughter that can be heard for miles around. Scientists believe that kookaburras use their calls to establish territory, attract mates, and warn off rivals. So, next time you're strolling through the Australian bush, listen out for the sound of the laughing kookaburra. It's a sure sign that you're in for a wild and wonderful time. Dingoes, Australia's wild dogs. Let's delve into the world of dingoes, Australia's wild dogs. These intelligent and adaptable canines have been roaming the continent for thousands of years and play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Dingoes are found throughout Australia, from deserts to forests, and have even been known to adapt to urban environments. Dingoes are typically sandy brown in color, with a bushy tail and erect ears. They're highly social animals and live in packs, which can range in size from a few individuals to over a dozen. They communicate with each other through a variety of barks, howls, and body language. As apex predators, dingoes play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. They help to control populations of herbivores, such as kangaroos and wallabies, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. Their presence can also have cascading effects throughout the food web, influencing the abundance and distribution of other species. Dingoes are an integral part of Australia's natural heritage, and their conservation is crucial for the health of the ecosystem. Platypus, the quirky critters of the waterways. Dive into the watery world of platypuses, Australia's most peculiar creatures. These bizarre-looking animals seem to have been pieced together from different creatures, with their duck-like bill, beaver-like tail, and otter-like feet. They're so unique that when scientists first discovered them, they thought it was a hoax. Platypuses are found in eastern Australia, from Tasmania to Queensland. They're semi-aquatic mammals, spending time both in and out of water. Their dense, waterproof fur keeps them warm, and their webbed feet help them navigate through water. Their bill, covered in electroreceptors, detects prey in murky water. Platypuses are shy and elusive, mostly active at dawn and dusk, and spend their days sleeping in burrows along riverbanks. These quirky critters are a true testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. protecting our Aussie mates. As we've explored the incredible diversity of Aussie animals, it's clear that we have a responsibility to protect them. Habitat loss, climate change, and invasive species are just some of the threats facing our wildlife. We can all do our part to help protect these amazing creatures for generations to come. By supporting conservation organizations, reducing our environmental impact, and spreading awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation, we can make a difference. Remember, every creature, big or small, plays a vital role in the delicate balance of our planet. Let's work together to ensure that Australia remains a land of wonder and diversity for generations to come. Let's keep Australia wild.